administrators are doing in response to the Supermax complaints. This is Mental Health Awareness Month, and we have another Mental Health Line 9 for you today. Experts are here now to answer your questions. They will be here until 12:30. You can call in. 9 News reporter Melissa Blasius is with them. And Melissa, we have experts from the Community Reach Center taking calls.
That's right, and these experts from the Community Reach Center can answer your questions about treatment options as well as resources in the community that they can connect you to. You can see the phone lines are busy, so if you do call and don't get in right away, make sure that you try again to get in. The number is 303-698-0999. I also wanted to introduce you to the clinical director at the Community Reach Center, Dr. Jill Atkinson. Thank you so much for joining us today. So I wanted to ask you, first of all, about children, and how does mental unwellness look different in children than adults?
Yeah, you know, about half of mental illness, about half the people that get a mental illness is diagnosable by the age of 14, and about 3/4 by the age of 24. And really what we look for in children are things like problems with problem solving, soothing, feeding, sleeping, getting along with peers, hitting developmental milestones. And so if you begin to see some of these behavioral difficulties, it's important that you take action immediately, because if you can prevent a problem from occurring longer, then you're better off to get treatment early on in the process.
And you said, I mean, as a parent, it's important to, you know, if you think that there's a problem with your child, to act before they're 18, because that's when you can have the most impact, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, the best thing to do is to go to your pediatrician. You know, you'd be surprised how many pediatricians are well informed about mental illnesses, and in fact, most pediatricians now will have a behavioral health specialist in their practice. And again, early intervention is the key. And, you know, the really good news is that with proper treatment and support, people with a mental illness can live a healthy, happy, successful life.
All right. Thank you very much, Doctor. And if you do want to call in and get your questions answered, just dial 303-698-0999 until 12:30. Back to you.
All right, Melissa, thank you very much. We will take